guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be cooking toast bread and French toast. So and beef bacon. So first step is I'm gonna dip the bread right inside. Okay, let's do our second. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe my hand. Hold this to check at the bottom. Nope, not yet. Okay, it's a bit high. It's a bit hot. And I had to put some. I put some milk. So I put some milk. So it now, but then we just dip the bread inside of it. We have to wait for 1 minute. So my favorite meal is mac and cheese, but I can't really make it because I don't know the ingredients. So I had to make this French toast instead of mac and cheese. Down a bit. I think we did not put the butter. That's why, because I did not put the butter before that. A bit of butter on the side, you know. My mom is helping me. Oh, it's hot. Okay. I need something. There you go. Okay, I think that is kind of good.
Keep getting a plate.
Ow, it's hot. Okay. Let's try and check for a bit. I'm gonna wait for 1 minute. It's kind of getting very good. Yeah, just right now. Yet. It's not brown yet. So we just gotta like move it a bit.
Yeah. Show some skills.
Oh, it's a bit hot. Yep. Oh.
That's good.
Okay. Whoop. Why am I keep falling? Okay.
Alright, that's better. What do you think?
Looks very good.
Let's have the smell.
So it smells very good, and I actually really like it. After we're gonna do this, we're gonna bake some beef. A bit. Okay. Whoop. Just gonna press on it. Put this right here. It's a bit hot. Okay. Oh, yes. This is better. Yep. Better now. So, I was like flipping it 2 times. After that, I flipped it 2 times. Then it turned very brown and it's very good now. Start flipping and put it on the plate. Don't want it to burn. Yep, on the plate. Now I'm just gonna make. Now I have the bread. Now we're gonna get some bacon. Wait, bacon now.
Maybe put a little bit more butter on the pan.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some butter. Uncle's doing the put. You put it. Oh.
Put extra beef. I want some. Maybe put 2 or 3.
Oh.
Right.
Okay, that is good.
And put some bacon.
I'm gonna put it on.
Slowly peel it out.
Oh. I'm going to try and use this. It's a bit hot. Oh. Put the other one. Oh! Put a lot. I think we will cook another one. Put this one right here. Oh. Whoa, that's hot. Look, I think it just hurt my ear. It's popping. Just gonna wait for a minute, you know. Wait for a minute. So we're gonna wait for a minute. Now we just gotta wait for 1 minute. Smells good. Let's go check. Now it's popping. Oh. I'm gonna get the small one first. That's good. Oh. Let's get the. Okay, this is the smallest. Maybe the smallest is done.
Smallest one cooks faster, right?
Yeah. Oop, oop. Sticking at each other. Getting very hot. Now we're gonna check the biggest one. Wow, that's good. That's good. Very lovely. Oh. Perfect. So I'm just going to press it down so it cooks faster. So maybe it can cook faster? I don't know. Let's go check it now. Oh, not much. Oh, there's a little bit.
Good enough.
A bit more. Let's check the baby
Like
one.
yours crispy, or do you like it like this, or
I actually kind of like it like this, but I want it more browner.
more browner?
Yeah. Nope. Not yet, brother. Are you done, Chef?
Listen to that sizzle.
It's popping everywhere. Okay, let's check it now. I hope it's done. In a long time. Oh! Oh wow, look at that. Okay, the sizzle.
Small.
Let's take the smallest. Smallest looks okay, right? I'm just gonna set it on here. Oh, this is not hot enough. Just gonna set it like that. It's popping right now, guys. Popping.
Sabayan ka.
I
Take it out.
think I
Put it on
can
the plate
take
now.
it now. Whoop. Oh, that was perfect. Huh? Okay, let's take this one. Yep. Whoop. Okay, now my mom's doing it herself. Finish our breakfast. Thanks for watching. Make sure to come back next time. Bye.